Alright y'all, so today we're back with another video. We got some snacks from Walmart just now and we're gonna show y'all what we got and what we snack on. Alright y'all, so chill. Okay, so what we gonna show off first is our healthy snacks, cause you know, gotta stay healthy. I got some oranges.
I got some bananas.
I could eat these all day long.
Me personally, bananas are on the bottom of my list. It's still good in a smoothie.
That's true.
Now it's time for our personal favorites. Mine is either the oatmeal cream pie or the kettle popcorn. Boom Chicken Pop. Sponsored.
Alright, and my favorite, my go-tos are some honey buns or some sugar pounded donuts. I've always ate these as a kid. But like me personally, I don't like these. I like the popcorn though. Come on, man. But like, I can always eat honey buns and pounded donuts for days.
I eat this popcorn all day.
But like, oatmeal pie cookies, never.
I don't eat that either.
He said he don't eat that. He's busy chewing. Sorry.
I'm picky though.
I'm just eat that. Alright y'all, but while Jalen's munching on his popcorn, I'm gonna show y'all my go-to chips. I like Cheetos and Doritos and barbecue chips, but like I ain't got none of those right now. But like I'm gonna introduce y'all to the bevs, cause like you can't have no snacks without no bev. Like it's a rule.
That's fact.
Unspoken rule.
That's fact.
Now the Gatorade, you know, electrolytes, water, you gotta have some water. But Capri Sun, most essential. The most essential.
Yeah, you're right.
But while I sip on my Capri Sun, I'm gonna let Jalyn explain what his favorite and go-to stuff is. Alright, let's get that.
Oh, hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man. Like, bro. God, it's so good. So good. So good and.
Alright y'all. To my go-to chips. You can't go wrong with a couple cheeses.
Pause. Those are crackers.
Same thing. Same thing.
Okay.
That's it. Now this next one, I promise y'all the next one. Barbecue Pringles. The same thing, bro. Barbecue Pringles. I go crazy on that.
I thought they couldn't see that.
What?
They could see you, your other hand.
What? You know
What
what?
the Pringle?
What are you talking about?
When you were like,
I don't care. That's
Yeah.
fine. I wasn't showing them off. What? Now the dangerous combo. Capri Sun and a whole can of Pringles.
don't say nothing for me.
Going down. None for you.
Alright y'all, quick side note. It really helps us out if y'all like the video and watch the whole video through, because that helps more people see it and that helps our channel get bigger. So we would really appreciate it if you would like and watch the whole video.
And don't forget to leave a comment. Turn on the notification bell. Just so you don't miss any of our videos. Because we post twice a week.
Wait. So right here is my go-to fruit snack. Like, I'll eat other fruit snacks, but like, I can eat a whole box of these in one day.
Anyway, fun.
But my little healthy snack out of all this, besides the oranges and bananas, are these Nature Valley bars right here. I get the cashews because I'm allergic to peanuts. And that's basically it for like the core snacks. But we got one more thing for y'all. Alright, so the last thing we got is some ice cream. John, you want to do the explaining?
Just a little dessert, something sweet, you know, when you feel like it. I like strawberry. That's only it.
You want what?
I like strawberry.
I like vanilla. Alright, y'all, but while we enjoy this ice cream, thanks for coming out to the video. Make sure you leave a like. And peace.